Hello, welcome to Hill Murray. My name is Brent Johnson. I'm the director of the Nicholas Center and Learning. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about neurodiversity. The idea of neurodiversity is that we all as individuals think very differently. And within Hill Murray, we celebrate that with the Nicholas Center. Behind me, you'll see the Spirit of St. Nicholas. If you would see this as a gray mural with no bright, brilliant colors, that would be pretty dull. But at Hill Murray, we look at all children as gemstones, as you see in the colors behind us. And each student pops to make the artistic work more beautiful. We believe the same within our classroom, that each student brings their own unique to our classroom, and that adds to a better school environment and a more diverse client. If you are interested in about the services of the Nicholas Center, we provide many different services, from pure tutoring to our counseling department to more specialized services for students with more individualized learning differences. If you'd like to learn more about those services, please contact me with my contact information that's at the end of this video. I will then set up an individual meeting with you to talk about a specialized plan that we'll put in place for your child based off of their difference. Again, welcome to Hill Murray. We're excited for you to join us and celebrate the unique and great gifts that all of our students bring to this school. Thank you.